top 10 games to make online classes more interesting and fun for preschoolers. Number 1. You can ask the children to show you some objects that are shaped like a square or rectangle. Number 2. Ask them to wear their favorite dress and identify its color. Number 3. You can ask the children to show you something that is sweet in taste. Number 4. Ask them to show you something that is sour in taste. Number 5. You can ask the children to show you some of their favorite toys. Number 6. Ask the children to dance in their favorite music. Number 7. You can ask the children to tell you the name of any two of their favorite cartoon characters. Number 8. Ask them to show you some yoga poses like cobra pose or tree pose. Number 9. Ask them to sing a song of their choice. Number 10. Ask them to show or tell you the names of any 3 of their favorite fruits. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment our channel.